All right, so sticking with this topic, I mean, we might as well get them both out the way.
Sure.
Neil Young is still mad, and he's encouraging other artists to get out of Spotify as well. Musician Neil Young, who heeded the movement to cancel the podcast host Joe Rogan by removing his music from Spotify to protest what he called the spread of misinformation, turned on Spotify CEO Daniel Ek after Ek refused to remove Rogan from the streaming platform. Young wrote on his website, "To the workers at Spotify, I say Daniel Ek is your big problem, not Joe Rogan. Ek pulls the strings. Get out of that place before it eats up your soul."
That's rough.
The only goals stated by Ek are about numbers, not art, not creativity. Holy harsh. Wow. I don't know how many people are going to listen to that. Listen to that advice from Neil Young. Obviously, some other people have shared his opinion and have removed their music, but I think the list kind of slowed down as far as people adding to it. I think Spotify is an important platform for people to be on, including us, including this show here, and a lot of people posting all types of audio content. And it sort of lands on how you feel about Spotify and whether you perceive them as a publisher or if you perceive them as a platform. And the same could be said for all varieties of social media.
Mm-hmm.
And they tried to make it clear that in the case of Rogan, it's a platform where he is like anyone else who posts on there. Granted, he's really not like everyone else, but you know where I'm going. They want to view themselves as a platform in this case with licensing content. And they're gonna stick to that for now.
Mm-hmm.
And apparently, even if Neil Young says that, I mean, what is everyone losing their soul or whatever it was?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a lot of soul losing.
It's pretty intense, man. You know, eat up. It will eat your soul. Spotify will eat your soul. Well, man, I don't know. There's a lot of jobs in this world that are, I don't know about that one.
Yeah.
Anyway,